Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So we have seen the iPhone 12 model launch in November in 2020, and that has a great smartphone, new design. But now the new rumors and latest rumors suggest that the upcoming iPhone 13, all iPhone 13 model, to get upgraded ultrawide camera with a f1.8 optics. Apple will bring a new ultrawide angle camera with a brighter f1.8 lens to all iPhone 13 model in 2021. According to a note by Barclays analyst Blaine Curtis and Thomas O'Malley, that information differ from a previous report by the analyst Ming-Chi, who said only the iPhone Pro model will get the new camera system. The new f1.8 lens will increase the amount of light reaching the sensor over the f2.4 lens used in the current iPhone ultrawide. It also likely that Apple will increase the sensor size of the new ultrawide angle camera, as the current 1 by 3.6 fats when compared to the Galaxy S21 Ultra 1 by 2.55 or the Huawei Mate 40 Pro moment 1 by 1.54. So the Barclays analyst report goes on to say that Apple will continue using the 12 megapixel f2.2 65mm and 2.5x camera exclusive to this year the 12 Pro Max in the iPhone 13 series in 2021, and will extend it from the Pro Max to the Pro as well. Industry source report that the Apple will stick to the formula of 5.4 inch and 6.1 inch phones with the two cameras, and 6.1 inch and 6.7 inch iPhones with a triple camera setup. So this is the latest news about the upcoming iPhone 13 model. Let me know in the comment section if you are a Apple lover and iPhone lover. Are you waiting for the next generation iPhone 13 models? Maybe they launch this year, no delay in September. So let me know in the comment section. Also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out.